Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, madami akong mga bagong products dito na pinadala ng brands sa akin, but I just haven't had the chance to share these products with you guys kasi ang dami nila. The first collection na gusto ko i-share sa inyo is a collaboration from Vice Cosmetics with Mama Ann Kloss. Actually, medyo matagal-tagal na na-release itong collection na to. However, hindi ko talaga siya nagawan ng review video, kaya this is the moment. I was able to do a reel on this, however, hindi lang talaga siya in-depth review video. So for their collection, meron sila mga eyeliners na nirelease. They have brush tip eyeliners for their colored liners. And they also have mga felt tip eyeliners. And yung felt tip eyeliners nila available in black and brown, which complements their retractable gel liner pencils in black and brown as well. And they also have a trio face palette, which contains two kinds of blushes and a contour powder. Although yung blush palette nila is just a little bit powdery for my liking. Nagulat nga ako na medyo powdery siya kasi yung Vice Cosmetics na mga contour, which what I'm used to, is ano sila, hindi sila powdery as this one. Eto, when I tap my brush, nagkakaano talaga siya, nagkaka-fall out agad. Ayan o. Ang daming fallout. Hindi ko alam bakit medyo powdery siya. Mas gusto ko yung mga aura contours nila compared to this kind of formulation, to be honest. Also, meron din sila mga lip stains sa kanilang collection. It's called Glass-Ting Lip Stains. Although hindi ako ma-lip stain na person, I would have to say yung pick ko na lang out of the three shades is yung shade na Rock on Red. I'm not a big fan of the Peace Out Pink because it doesn't look like pink at all. Don't expect to get a pink shade from this. And then the Bring It Brown is super duper deep. Parang deep black coffee yung naalala ko sa shade na Bring It Brown. It's just deep. I'm not a fan of the shade range. Hindi siya nagmamatch sa fun, funky 70s kind of vibe that this whole collection is portraying. Yep, so that's that. So, on to the next set of Vice Cosmetics collection. So, after nila mag-release ng Love Joanne, they were able to release another set of collection, which I'm just so here for because part sa collection na yon ay yung mga lip liners na to. Ito talaga yung winner for me. Yung mga perfect Kizz lip liners nila. It's super duper good. All of the shades are bet na bet ko talaga. So, we have 3 shades available here. So, meron silang Kiss Me, Kizz's It, and Kiss and Tell. Yan yung color pink. So, I'm actually wearing yung shade na Kiss Me. And this is my go-to shade if I'm feeling, extra fierce. And if gusto ko pang everyday lang, then I go for Kizz Is. It's such a good lip liner because bihira lang tayo makakita ng lip liner here in the Philippines that is nude and really contours the lips well. Usually, yung mga lip liners na available dito sa atin, medyo peachy siya or leans more on the reds. And it doesn't really contour the lips. All it does is just define the edges of the lips or really emphasize the color payoff. But again, it doesn't really shape and carve out the lips. Nagulat nga ako na hindi pa sila sold out sa Shopee hanggang ngayon kasi usually yung mga products like this, especially rare, good kinds of products, they sold out fast. But it's a good thing for you kasi you'll be able to purchase them now. Kaya mag-hoard na kayo nito before siya mawala pa. Vice Cosmetics also added new shades sa kanilang lip oil and lip glosses. So for the lip glosses, they added Diamond Boomsh, and it actually reminds me of Rihanna's Fenty lip gloss na parang ganito yung effect niya. And then we also have a new lip oil edition, and yung shade niya is I Lava You. So I haven't opened them yet, especially yung mga shades na meron na ako like yung Dynamite and Candy Glaze because I feel like I want to give them away. Let me know in the comment section below if I should host a giveaway or should I keep this lip glosses na lang. Anyway, yung lip glosses nila and lip oil, same lang naman yung formulation nila sa previous nila na release. Although, ayun lang, nag-add lang sila ng additional shades that you guys might like. On to the next brand, we have Detail Cosmetics, and nag-release sila ng another version of their Satin Luxe. And this is their Satin Luxe Lite. And this is what it looks like. So, if you're familiar of Satin Luxe, they have actually a similar kind of packaging, although yung color lang is nag-iba. Yung original Satin Luxe, yung packaging niya is color pink siya. Yung difference niya I noticed compared sa original one is yung finish. This is something that I can resonate with. I do love the finish so much. Mas na-tone down yung pagka-balmy ng visuals ng product na to. And then also, it looks more, parang healthy lang siya, nag-glow on the lips. It looks very natural. And then yung color payoff na binibigay ng Satin Luxe Lite is just a wash of color. So it's perfect for days like nag-errands ka and you just want something that's comfort wear siya on the lips. Although hindi lang long-lasting yung color niya on the lips, it will wear off fast because hindi siya yung type of pigments na nag-grip on the lips. It doesn't stain. Also, hindi strong yung staying power niya, so it will wear off fast, but it is very, very comfortable on the lips. So if you have dry lips, then this is for you. Now, if you're a fan of matte lippies naman, I highly recommend the next product. So this is a new release of Kloss Beauty. Ito yung Chiffon Tints nila. Super duper love the formulation. Although matte yung finish niya, because of how it's formulated to be like airy and lightweight, it is still so comfortable to wear on the lips. So I really, really love yung shades na ino-offer nila. Napaka-vibrant and playful. It matches so well with the story and theme of their collections. I'm super here for it, and I actually just reviewed this. So if you wanna see my full swatch party and honest review, then it will be linked right here or in the description box below. Super duper love it, and also napaka-affordable niya. It's only for 299 pesos. Next brand that we have here is from Squad Cosmetics. I think I mentioned this in one of my videos already, but gusto ko lang siya i-bring up again because I really love how this concealer is formulated. It's such a flexible and hydrating concealer that will suit well sa mga people who have dry skin and especially dry under eyes. I've noticed na if you wear matte kind of concealers like yung Fit Me na concealer or something that's just a bit heavy duty, then it doesn't work well for people with dry skin, especially people with dry under eyes. So one concealer that I can recommend to you is this one. It's super duper good, and they released 9 shades. And by the way, if you're wondering what my shades are, yung kamatch ko talaga is CM1, and I also use the shade Neutral Light or CL3 to brighten up certain areas of my face like my forehead, chin, and under eyes. Yung coverage ng concealer na to is medium to semi-full coverage. If you're wondering kung anong difference niya between the Radiance Tint ng Get Ready With Me, I feel like this has a thinner kind of formulation. Conceal It naman ng Squad Cosmetics is very similar to its partner na base product, which is yung Aqua Foundation nila. Yung concealer nila is a thicker version of their foundation. Actually, ito din yung foundation na sinusuot ko currently. And I've been wearing this for, I think, 4 hours already or more. And it still holds well. And hindi ako nag-primer, guys. And by the way, I only used 1.5 pump of this foundation all over my face. It works well. Maganda yung coverage niya. And it really evened out my face. And for the areas na I wanted to add more coverage, then I went for the Squad Cosmetics na concealer. It's another PR that was sent to me. Thank you so much, K Palette family, for sending this over. So this is their OG One Day Tattoo na brow product and also eyeliners. Quick story lang, guys. Yung nag-introduce sa akin ng K Palette is yung OG queen of Filipino beauty YouTube, Ana Victorino. She was raving about it, and she would use a lot of K-Palette products sa mga tutorials niya, and that really opened my eyes to this brand. Although I would give a heads up that it is a little bit pricey, but it is worth it. Napaka long-lasting ng mga products nila, and their eyeliners and mascaras don't dry up fast. Kasi yun yung mga problems sa mga ibang products, especially mga eye products like mascaras and felt tip eyeliners. As soon as you open them, they dry up fast. So parang nalugi ka sa investment mo kasi you weren't able to make the most out of that product. But you won't encounter that problem with K-Palette products. And one of my go-to mascaras is from them, yung One Day Lash Up nila na mascaras, and I'm wearing it. And I will for sure repurchase these as soon as I run out of them because it's just so good. It's one of the mascaras that hindi siya nagka-clump. It's super duper clean. So if you are a fan of lengthening your lashes without it looking clumpy at all, then it's the product that I recommend for you. Ililink ko din siya in the description box below. Speaking of lashes, gusto ko i-share sa inyo to. So this is a PR sent over by Faboulash. Again, Faboulash is owned by a very, very famous celebrity makeup artist, Mika Marcaida. I haven't met her, but girl, if you're watching this video, I really, really want to meet you. And gusto ko lang siya ma-observe. You know, I love observing mga makeup artists and really learning from them and seeing the tricks that they have up their sleeves that make their makeup game super duper good. Miss Mika, thank you again for sending these over. So yung Fabulashes, these are the celebrity cult favorite kind of lashes. And they give off really, really nice flutter to the eyes. So if gusto niyo ma-achieve yung pang-artista na eyes, very natural looking yet dramatic at the same time na lashes, then these are for you. Napakaganda ng lashes nila, and now they have released 10 new styles sa kanilang collection, and I'm so happy for them because that just means that their lash brand is a big hit, and I'm always happy when a brand is growing and expanding because that means we Filipinos are supporting our own. Okay, so I'm so happy for them. Napaka-dramatic actually ng mga addition nila for their new styles. And hindi ko na sila mapapakita sa inyo one by one dito sa channel ko. However, I will be making mga creative looks sa IG Reels ko. So, if you wanna see my creative videos, creative makeup tutorials on Instagram, then just follow me here in the description box below. Nandyan yung Instagram handle ko. Ang ganda talaga ng collection nila. And even just the original ones, they were so good already. And for them to add mga dramatic set of lashes naman, it's something for people like me, okay, na medyo extra when it comes to their looks. I'm so excited to be able to sport these. Sa mga aspiring, again, na makeup artists out there, you should try their lashes. It's super duper good. Anyway guys, if gusto niyo pang tumambay dito sa channel ko, I have my playlist ready right here. But just be warned na budol ready yung mga videos na to. Kaya naman, humanda kayo guys kasi mabubudol talaga kayo ng bongga. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.